Hello, welcome back to the GMP channel. I'm Jonathan Stone. I started my trucking career here at GMP back in 1997. Drove for 21 years. Now I'm in the breakdown department. Today we're going to cover sliding trailer tandems. But before we get to that, let's cover some basics. First off, we need to know how to retract the pins to slide the tandems. Back in the day with the pull handle, you would pull the handle, the pins would retract, you would set the wheels where you needed them, got back out, knocked the bar back in locking position, making sure that the tandems were locked, all 4 pins out, and you were on your way. You will still see these from time to time, but the most common today is the air release valve. If everything is working properly, the button easily pulls out, you can hear the air, see the pins retract, and then you can slide the tandems. In the breakdown department, we get on average 3 calls a day on this issue. The driver cannot get the valve to pull to slide his tandems. When this happens, there's a few things that you can try before you call breakdown. Number 1, you want to make sure that the trailer is supplied with air. Make sure the red valve is in. Give it 1-2 minutes to fully charge the air system on the trailer. Pull the red valve out and go back and try to pull the button out. If that doesn't work, try to pull out of your parking space. Find an area on the yard where you can get nice and straight. Apply the brakes and then try again. There are a few tools that can help you in this situation. A pair of pliers or a flathead screwdriver. What's most important is when you go to pull the valve, you want it to be as straight out as possible, not at an angle. The best tool that I have seen is a new product called the SARASTFAST. It is specifically designed for this purpose. If you'd like to learn more about SARASTFAST, there'll be a link in the description box. Now that you know the basics of retracting the pins and sliding the tandems, when will you have to slide the tandems? Lots of times. Say a lot of our customers require us to slide the tandems even before you go through the gate, or when you back to the dock to load or unload. Or maybe you're picking a trailer up at a customer where the wheels are slid all the way to the back. In order to get it road ready, we're going to have to slide the wheels to a legal spot, which is normally around the 41-foot area. There may be a mark on the trailer. Most of our trailers probably do not have a mark on them. So the easiest way to do this is to start at the back of the trailer, at the back bumper, and step off 10 feet and roughly put it in that hole, which will probably be the 12th hole, somewhere around in that area, if weight's not an issue. In the event that none of these tips help, you more than likely have a bad valve. So just simply send a macro 15, which is a maintenance macro that comes to us in breakdown, and we'll get you help as soon as we can. In an upcoming video, we'll be going outside to go in depth more with sliding tandems when weight is an issue. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to the GMP Trucking channel. Be sure to click notifications, that way you do not miss any videos, and we'll see you in the next video.